Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how I troubleshoot the Office 2016, license issue on the Citrix VDA servers. Normally we are using the Citrix PVS vdisk to push to create an image for all the VDA servers, and every month the security team will create a new version for the disk and then install the Windows patch, security patch, and Office security patch, and then push the new version to all the Citrix VDA servers again. So last month when the patch team do the create a new version for the vdisk, and then they install the Windows patch on the UAT server, and then when they change the mode to test mode for the version, they get the error message when they open the Excel 2016. If you see from the screen, it says Microsoft Office standard 2016 configuration did not complete successfully. This happened for a few customers VDA server, UAT server. So when I log into the server, the UAT server in the test mode, I go to this folder. This is 32-bit Office 2016. I go to this program files 686 /Microsoft Office Office 16, and then run the command cs script space ospp.vbs status. And then if I run this one, I see it shows Office 15 because on the disk it installed Office 2016. However, it shows Office 15. If you see this one is Office 15, and then this last product key is PGWR7, and this is for the this Office Pro Plus 2016. It also shows the license name is Office 15, and also the key number is GVGXT. So if we go to the Office license portal, for the KMS license, we see this, license ending with GVGXT is Office 2013 Professional Plus, not 2016. However, on this VDA servers, because we installed the Office 2016, but the license key shows for this copy is for the Office 2013, not 2016. So what I did, I tried to uninstall the Office 2016 from the control panel program features, and also install the Visual 2016. There's another one, 2016 for Visual, Visual, this one, Office Visual, standard. Then I install both. This one is also this is PGWR7. If we go to this one again, we go to Visual 2016, you see PGWR7 is for Visual 2013 standard, not the 16 standard. However, when we run the command, it shows it should show for the Office 2016 because we installed the Office 2016 on the server, but however, it shows 2013. So I installed the Visual 2016 and Office 2016 from the control panel program features, and then when I try to install the Office 2016 64-bit, I get the error message says there are some program 32-bit program runs on the PC, because I already removed it from the control panel, but still complaining just something on the server, on the UAT server. So I needed to follow the process to uninstall the Office 2013 manually, because the uninstall tool from Microsoft does not work. I get some error message. So this is what I follow the link to uninstall. Just a few steps. I need to remove the folder, and also remove the entry from registry key. Then finally I'm able to install again. And then when I install from maintenance mode, it works fine. The volume license you see shows 2016 now. But if I change the mode, the vdisk to the new version to the test mode, it change back again to Office 15. So change back again, and then finally I decide it's better to create a new vdisk, because the current vdisk after we is already had many VDA servers linked to the vdisk, and if we right click go to the PVS console. If I right click the current vdisk and click properties, the vdisk properties shows read only. We can't change anything. So I just go to the log in the previous server and go to the drive which vdisk is saved, and then I copy the latest PVP and the VHD file to a new file, and rename them to the server name.pvp and the server name.vhd. Then I can go to the PVS console and connect to the farm. Then I go to the stores and customer name, right click the name to click add import, vdisk. Then click search. After search, I find the new vdisk I created in the server name -new, and then I click add button, and then just new vdisk is added to the previous store. And then I can right click the new vdisk and go to click properties, change the mode from the standard provision to the private provision mode, and select the volume license tab on the top, and then change the license mode from the KMS to none. After that, I just go to the site connections, go to the customer folder, then right click the UAT server, change the vdisk from the old one to the server-new vdisk, and boot from the vdisk, and then change the boot mode to production. Then I power on the UAT server from the vSphere vCenter, and then log in as administrator, open the command as administrator, then input a cd, program files x86, slash Microsoft Office slash Office 16 to run the command below. This first command is to, I installed, remove the product key from the, UAT server, and this is for the, the Office 2013, Professional Plus, just ending this last 5 digit for this license, and also this one is for the Visual 2013 product key. And then I installed the Visual 2016 from the control panel program features in the control panel, and then I install Office Professional Plus from the control panel program features, and then I install those applications again from the ISO file I downloaded, copied from to the C drive. After this, I go to the open the command from as administrator and cd this folder, and then I want to confirm the license key is correct. They are correct after I install on the server again, and then I run the ospp.vbs to prepare for the VDA servers, and then I run the srmgr/rearm to prepare the Windows operating system for VDA servers. Then I shut down the UAT server, I go to the PVS management console, and then right-click, go to the store, customer name, and then right-click the server name, -new with disk, and then go click properties, change the mode, from the private to the standard provision again, and go to the volume license tab, change your license model from none to KMM license. And after this, I just, start the UAT server again, and then I check the start product key by running this one open command as running this one. Again, run the status. I see it shows, shows the it's Office 16, and I can open the Excel 2016 file. After this, I just create a new region, and set the region to test mode, and then change the, the UAT server mode to test, and then start the UAT server again, and then open Excel 2016. It opens successfully. So just fix 3 customers, because we have 3 customers that are using the, the PVS to push the VDA servers, for Office and Windows operating system. So after I do this way, I do one by one, fix all these 3 customers. That's all I show you today. Thanks.